We would not be here if the Justice Department and the federal government had done what it should have done. In every meeting with the federal government, Attorney Michael Hardy, General Counsel Tanan, and I have been with the family, where they advised the family they were doing an active investigation, and the police department was waiting on that. Justice delayed is justice denied.
That's right.
Why would you have no choking policies if you're not going to enforce them? Why would you say that unarmed people can't be killed by police if you're not going to enforce them? So the city is on trial. And to try and delay this to July would have been a second insult to this family and to our community.
Being out here, and I would like to thank you all for your...
It was mixed emotions. I felt sort of numb being in the same space with my son's murderer. I am so glad to all of you who came to stand in support of me. For those who were in the courtroom, they see that they did set a trial date for us, even though it's in May, but we did get a trial date. We would have liked to have seen it much earlier, but I am just glad that this is moving forward.
Today's the start of a process. Unfortunately, what we see in this process is that we're having a trial in front of a kangaroo court. All we ever ask for as New York City police officers is for fairness, for this advocate to listen to the evidence, not the noise. We can't listen to the noise, let's listen to the evidence. We are going to bring before us evidence that Officer Pantaleo did exactly what he was trained to do. People like to tell us what we can't do, but they don't want to tell us what we can do. The New York City Police Department sent this police officer out to enforce the law, and he did. Make no mistake, this is a tragedy. There's been a loss of life. There's a police officer that has to live with that loss of life. But always we should ask for the fairness in the process.
Our medical expert will show that not only was there no chokehold, but when he was indicating I can't breathe, his arm was not around the neck at all. If you look at the video frame by frame, it's a very different video than if you view it once in real time. The problem is we need to educate both the media and the public that not only was there never a chokehold, but Officer Pantaleo was just making a simple arrest using a seatbelt technique.